I'm DJ A, the owner and operator of the Record DJ Company, and this is the College of Wedding and Event Knowledge. Order of operations are like a timeline to build your event. All of the mini or sub events that are going to happen, you can handle this timeline on your own, or I can help you build it as we go. The order of operations, also known as the event preparation form. The time guests arrive, the time food might be served, any specific dances, or any other formal things that need to happen within the event. I like to build this timeline with clients so that they know and I'm on the same page as to when things are going to happen throughout the evening as we build. It'll give you some things to think about. Now, these are the details that we talked about in the last video of what I'm going to need to perform your event. Obviously, the location of the event. Is the event indoors or outdoors, so I know where to set up my speakers? When we do the room layout, we will handle some of these details as to where to set up, how to set up, and which way the room is going to flow. What time may I get into the room to set up? What time does the event start? Also known as what time do the guests arrive? What time does it end? If we're doing a wedding, as for reception, what time does cocktail hour start? What kind of music do you want at cocktail hour? What time should I seat the guests before we do introductions? I will need all of the names of the people to be introduced, usually, but it is completely up to the bride and groom. After the introductions, the bride and groom either does a first dance or a cake cutting. After the cake cutting or first dance, generally we have a prayer and any speeches, and we have dinner. Dinner is a good thing. Now, usually after dinner, bride and groom make their rounds and touch the tables, say hello, greet their guests if they haven't already done so. At this point, I will check with them if we're ready to move forward. Moving forward usually entails the mother-son dance, father-daughter, and any other formal dances we haven't already handled. At this point, we can also do an anniversary dance to bring all the couples to the floor and to honor our longest wedded guests. At this time, we can open the dance floor or do anything such as the bouquet, garter, or anything else. After that, the only thing I request is the last song of the evening. If you have suggestions for dinner music, that's fine. If you have suggestions for cocktail music, that's fine as well. You do not need to pick those. Don't feel pressured to have to pick every little song for the evening. Just a suggestion or an idea, and I can go with the crowd from there. Providing myself with a playlist and do not playlist is always a good idea to help me get to know you better. What are your wedding colors, if it is a wedding? What is the style of dress? Is it formal? Is it casual? Should I be wearing a suit? Should I be wearing a t-shirt and shorts? Any other announcements, notes, special birthdays, or anything like that, and any other thoughts, questions, or concerns. I include everything needed to perform. Every wedding package is the appropriate amount of sound you will need for one room. If you need sound in multiple rooms, I have to charge you for multiple sound systems. I also include a wireless microphone to handle any announcements I may have, any speeches, or anything else. If you need more than that, I have more than one available. Wedding packages come with lighting for your dance floor. If you'd like uplighting, that is a separate upcharge. But I take the worry away from you, the customer, by providing intelligent, smart, computer-controlled lighting. LEDs nonetheless. So we can pick colors, brightness, all on the fly to set the perfect atmosphere for your event. I'm the only DJ in Greater Western New York area that brings an LED computer-controlled custom DJ booth. I can set any color, fade between colors, or even have multiple effects set. Now, whether a wedding or event, I use the same prep list. Anything that doesn't apply, we can just put a non-applicable next to. Any details I need to gather are in this form available on my website. Another thing to think about when planning your event is what sub-events or what things can we do to engage the group. Engaging the audience will have your guests talking about your event for months on end.